Hi friends! Who wants to join me for an art project today? Do you know what we're going to make? We're going to make some birdies with feathers! Wow, look at all my feathers I have here. I have different colors. I have some pink ones and some yellow ones and some white ones and some blue ones. That's the color of the week. Hey, and since we're talking about the birds flying in the sky, let's go ahead and work on our fine motor. We can work on some sensory too and see how our feathers feel. Do they feel soft? Do they tickle you? Tickle? Oh, they tickles. Oh, they tickle. And birdies need feathers to keep themselves warm and to fly in the sky with their wings. So I'm going to take some glue and I'm going to put it all over my birdie. Birdie, 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 birdie. I bet we see lots of different birdies out in the trees and in the sky. So I'm going to take some colors of different feathers. Maybe I'll take a purple one too. And then we have our glue. And remember, glue's sticky, but that's okay. You can just wash your hands when you get done. And I'm going to stick my feathers on my birdie any way you want to make your birdie look nice and pretty with all his feathers. Oh, there's another blue one. Oh, and there's a purple one. Oh, and a green one. And a white one. Ooh, they're nice and soft. Oh, soft feathers. Oh, and I got a pink one too. Oh, look at that. Look at my birdie with all his feathers on there. Can't wait to see how yours come out.